got ourselves some cough drops from the 1960s.
Wow, they're 53 years old, and they're menthol, and from the good old state of New York.
Oh, baby.
So these are gonna be damn tasty.
The upside is they're menthol, so it's not those random flavours that are probably going to go off over the years.
Got a cough as well, so it may help. So yeah,
Let's find out.
it's fine. That's good. Right, let's.
You got a little pulley thing.
Oh, no, pulley. They don't make these. No, don't do this now.
They don't make them like they used to.
No.
Oh
God.
Oh.
More willow.
Oh what?
Whoa.
Oh what? They black.
No. Oh. Oh. Smell that. Smells like my
They don't have
nan.
a wrapper, that's why.
It smells like my nan.
They're beautiful.
They're like rotten all fruit.
I don't want two.
Split that in half for me.
There you go. Oh, give that one the one.
Oh God. They're stickier than a.
Oh, they're still minty. I'm going to show the camera for.
Yeah, go on then. They're stickier than a old lady's crotch. Wait a second.
I don't know if it's going to be good for us, but if you look closely, they're pretty greyish. They look foul. A bit white in the centre. It's basically a dodgy polo.
Oh. Oh.
It smells like licorice and mint put together, and they're getting. When I'm holding them, they're getting really moist.
It's like when you go to an old lady's house and she's had like a load of fags.
Would you like a sweet?
Yeah, and they've gone out of date like 50 years as well.
It's like a Werther's original from the 40s.
Alright, probably tastes better than this. So.
Ready? Chink chink.
53-year-old cough drops. Alright.
Ready? Go. It's the texture. Fucking
hell.
I'm going to pick the mint, I'm going to take licorice. I think the licorice is the going off part. I think this is going to give me a cough. You know when you normally eat mint sweets, they're really like, or cough, they're going to be really like strong.
Oh, right into it.
Oh.
That powder is fuck.
Oh.
Oh.
I'll go back for a second, Dave.
Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh. Wow.
I'm going to the shop to get some tunes.
Yeah. Right, don't have cough drops on the 1960s.
Don't have cough drop from like the past 10 years.
Yeah.
I'm fucking 50.
Wow. So, oh, that was foul. Well, anyway, so out of 10, what would you give
Out
that?
of 10, I'm going to give it a 0.
A 1.
No, it's not even a 1.
I like the licorice taste.
It's not even minty.
More licorice.
Right.
But yes,
Don't eat them.
no, bad for you. Thank you for watching, and what would you like us to eat next? Old stuff, you know. What old things would you like to
Put a
do?
comment below and we'll see if we can get hold of it.
Yeah, so see you soon. Oh, foul as hell.
The string of your spit hanging from your hand.